Water for Sustainability. This is the theme of the third India Water Forum being organized in the capital. The International Water Convention seeks to attract diverse perspectives on the issues related to ensuring water security for billions of people in India and South Asia. Uma Bharti has reiterated that the government under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi is doing its best to tackle the severe drought conditions prevailing in many parts of the country. Listen in to the Water Resources Minister.
The Energy and Resources Institute, TERI, in association with the Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, is organizing third India Water Forum titled Water for Sustainability Towards Development and Prosperity in New Delhi from April 20 to 22nd. Union Minister Uma Bharti was present at the convention. She lauded the efforts by TERI and added that government is working on long-term solutions to deal with the severe drought situation in the country.
टेरी ने ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया है और टेरी के इस पूरे प्रोग्राम में से जो बातें निकलेंगी वो हमारे लिए ग्राउंड वाटर, सरफेस वाटर और रेन वाटर में हम कैसे उनको बचा सकते हैं, बचे हुए का रिस्ट्रेन यूज़ हमको कैसे करना है और उस रिस्ट्रेन यूज़ के लिए हमें कौन कौन से मेथड अपनाने चाहिए, ये तीनों बातें हमें यहाँ से सीखने को मिलेंगी. कि दिस कंट्री इज़ समटाइम ड्राउट प्रोन, मेनी स्टेट्स आर वाटर डिफिसिट. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली the Prime Minister has been telling this since the government is formed actually, that we all should be ready to face this kind of challenges and we should find long-term solutions, not ad hoc solutions.
Union Minister Uma Bharti also added that government is making elaborate preparations for rainwater harvesting during the monsoons this year.
जो मानसून वाटर है उसको रोकने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा बजट इस बार दिया गया है. 89 प्रोजेक्ट अपने कंप्लीट करो 2017 में, ताकि जो पानी आवे वो रिजर्वर में उसका भराव हो जावे. और रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए भी इनकरेज करने के लिए हमको पूरी तैयारी हमने की है. हमने स्टेट से बात शुरू कर दी है.
The three-day India Water Forum will explore interlinkages between water security and economic prosperity. The convention will deliberate upon cleaning Ganga and its role in economic development, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a model for social empowerment, agriculture and improving water use efficiency, green infrastructure on water, an alternative for urban water crisis, role of the corporate sector in ensuring water security, and transboundary waters, need for collaboration. With several parts of the country reeling under severe drought conditions, the importance of this convention cannot be underestimated. It provides a platform for policymakers, researchers, industrialists and social organizations to come together and find ways for better management of water. With camera person Ahluwalia, I'm Shubhendu Ghosh for DD News, New Delhi.